Climate change. A serious issue affecting our lives daily. Whether you live in the heat of the desert or cold of the icy poles, climate change affects you, even in some of the most unexpected ways. First things first, what is climate change? Earth's climate has constantly been changing over time. The global average temperature today is about 15 degrees Celsius. However, the current period of warming is occurring more rapidly than many past events. Scientists are concerned that the natural fluctuation or variability is being overtaken by rapid human-induced warming. For example, gases released from industry and agriculture, otherwise known as emissions. A more common term is greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases is a term commonly associated with climate change. It refers to the way the Earth's atmosphere traps some of the energy from the sun, causing the Earth to heat up. Now you've had a little bit of information, we shall begin. The climate plays a role in our lives. It affects your food prices, travel plans, and daily weather. But how are they referred to climate, you ask? Well, global warming causes climate to fluctuate. So this causes rainfall and other climate extremes. For example, if you have noticed, the daffodils are blooming earlier and the bees are more prominent than last year. Hence the productivity of crops decreasing, as insect pollinators are not used to this rapid change, which causes the prices to shoot up. Also, due to the weather, your travel plans might be affected. You may be thinking, why should we care, or what could you do about it? I have the answer for both. Firstly, you should care, because this issue will affect your future, your lives, and even our planet. Because by 2050, 9 billion people will be affected by climate change. That's the whole world. Recently in the news, 16-year-old Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg has decided to take a step forward to act for this noble cause. Believe it or not, she even won a Nobel Prize for it. I mean, she's not won it yet, but she's nominated. In August 2018, Greta staged a protest by leaving her classroom and marching for what she believed in, the near future. Do you have what it takes to make a difference? Because even something as simple as taking the bus, or maybe saving a little bit of electricity, does make a huge difference. In the future, we should not be thinking why we did not act, but why we did. I urge you to be the change. Thank you for listening.